See, today we are, this year we are celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram. As an Indian, I'm proud of Vande Mataram, and it inspires every one of us. As we know, Vande Mataram is not a mere poem. It is not a mere song. It was an inspiration for the freedom movement, and it was a war cry against oppression. And Vande Mataram transcended language barriers, language, religion, everything, and it united us all as Indians. And Vande Mataram, we know, it was composed by Sir Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in the year 1875. And initially there were only two stanzas, and those two stanzas, it glorified mother denoting the country, or then the state of Bengal. But then, like in 1881, four more stanzas were added, and which probably had some religious connect. It referred to a particular religion, and those days it became a controversy. And then India being a land of so many religions, and religions, faith, caste, people thought like that last four stanzas, which are later added, probably that should not be seen as a national song. So it was a controversy, and then there was a committee formed by the Congress, which included Netaji, Nehruji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and people. This committee decided that the first two stanzas, which does not have a religious connect, which unified us as Indians, that particular two stanzas, that should be the national song, and they avoided the other four stanzas. Today's speech, of course, Prime Minister spoke about the goodness of Vande Bharat. Of course, we are all proud of it. But then at the end, he in fact referred to the last four stanzas, saying that should not have been deleted. That was probably very disappointing. And Vande Mataram was a motivating factor. It was motivated, and it probably, you think of Vande Mataram. We think of we being Indians as one. But then he rakes up this controversy of saying that those four stanzas, which denotes to a particular religion, should not have been deleted. This again is divisive politics, and it's very disappointing that it comes from our Prime Minister, and during this celebration of 150 years of Vande Mataram.
Sir, he said that Nehru